Alright guys, check this out right here. We have this 2002 Cadillac DeVille. We're replacing this, the basic maintenance when it comes to vehicles. Don't forget to change the cabin air filter and also your air filter, and also check your tire pressure, and also check your and also do an oil change. You know, you're supposed to do an oil change every 3 to 5,000 miles. This depends how you want it. And always replace your cabin air filter every 15,000 miles, and air filter maybe about 40 to 50,000 miles. So this vehicles right here got about, I believe is, this car has about, I think is, I believe 50,000 miles. Yep, I just gotta check the display. There it is. About 54,000 miles. It's about time to change the cabin air filter and do the oil change and air filter. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this air filter on 2002 Cadillac DeVille. So it's pretty easy. There's only 2 bolts holding it, and the rest is just right there. So you already know special tools to replacing air filter on these vehicles. Everything by hand, no special tools. So this is the filter right here, guys. Filter is not really dirty, but it is got a lot of dirt in there. This is like probably still original from the factory. So we are replacing with a new one right here, guys. See the difference with the new one? It's pretty clean. So you gotta put that in there, slide it in, make sure it's nice and neat, and put it back exactly the way he goes. And don't forget that little clip right there. Push it in, and you just gotta press it down, and it can screw this air filter housing. Yep, just like this, guys. Anybody can do this job, and that's how you're gonna save you more money when doing maintenance on your vehicles. Yep, especially if you know you got 20 years older, 20 year old, you got 20 years old vehicles, you know. And the cabin air filter on this car right here, this is the one right here, guys. So we're gonna put the new cabin air filter on these vehicles. The cabin air filter is on this one here. Everything is on the hood. So some car is inside the glove compartment, some car is outside, you know. So make sure you always clean those dirt right here, because you don't want it to go in. If you got a blower, you can blow it out. If not, you can just blow your horn just like that. And then 2 clip. I think this is one of the easy cabin air filter I ever see. Oh wow, look at that. That's still original, guys. Original from the factory. So, and this vehicle's already got 50,000 miles. So just be careful taking out the old cabin air filter, because you could have some dirt in there going into your inside the vehicles. And also just gotta look at this right here, guys. Look, I got a tint. So we're gonna put it on the side right here for now. We're gonna throw it away later. So look at this right here, guys. Look, boom. Look how dirty that is. The filter is collapsed in pieces, man. So it's always good to replace it with the new one, guys. So the new one, just, alright, I think fell up right there. Make sure you take the little dirt out of there. And then you just gotta slide it in nice and easy, the way it came out. The way you're gonna put it in, the way it came. You're gonna put it the same way, guys. So I'm doing just one hand right here. So just, and then you just gotta align it complete, nice and pretty. Just gotta line it nice and neat, guys. See that? Make sure it's flat, not like the other one. See the other one? It was all crumble. You don't want that to crumble like that, guys. See, that's how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2002 Cadillac DeVille. And you gotta put that in there. You slide it in, and after you do that, snap in it. Boom. See? Just like that. That's how you replace the cabin air filter on a, yep, just like that, guys. And also make sure you do the oil change on this car right here. The oil is pretty low and it's dirty. Look at that oil. So we're doing the oil change on these vehicles too, guys. So that's how you do the basic maintenance on your vehicles. Yep, just like that, guys. Check it out. I hope you learned something about this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys learned something on this video. It's not perfect, but that's the best I could give you guys. But if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below if you have any question. I'm more happy to help you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.